Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing good. So here for unit number 4 we need to understand what are the rules of an accounting. So let us go into the rules of an accounting. So these are the most important rules for understanding the entire fourth unit. So properly listen to it. So rules of accounting are of three types. One is personal account, real account and nominal account. So let me discuss in detail about personal account. In personal account, it includes individual names and company names. Then what is the difference between individual names and company names? Is individual names like Ram, Rahim, Janaki, Sita, Geeta or so on. So these are the individual names like your name and my name. Next is company names. Company names means we can see the like companies like Sri Venkateshwara Traders Limited, Sai Limited and so on. So wherever the company's name ends with limited or CO, that is nothing but company. Co means company. So whether Sri Venkateshwara Traders or Sai Limited or like the name of any of the company ends with CO, so we can take them as a company names. So individual names and company. Whenever the names comes, either it can be individual or company name, it comes under the personal account. And what is the rule of personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So the rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account. So real account deals with assets. So what are the assets? Assets are like land, building, cash, plant, machinery, furniture, motor vehicles. Motor vehicles can be car, van, bus, lorry or etc. All these assets are called as a real account. So the rule of real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So the rule is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And nominal account. Nominal account deals with expenses and losses. So what are the expenses? Or sometimes we call expenses as expenditures. Expenditures are nothing but like salaries that we pay to our employees, interest that we have paid on the loans that we have taken. All this comes under the expenses and losses. So incomes and gains. So what comes under the incomes and gains is like commissions that we received on sale of an goods. On sale of any goods by the company we may receive commission, or by land that we have sold we may receive commission, on the building that we have sold we can receive commission. And interest received, that is to someone else we might have given some amount and on that amount we may have received the interest. So these are all as of incomes and gains. So whenever the incomes and gains, expenses and losses comes, it comes under the nominal account. So what comes in personal account? Personal account comes individual names or company names. And real account deals with all assets. And nominal account deals with expenses and losses, income and gain. And the rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Rule is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Once again we deal. Personal account deals with individual names and company names. Real account deals with all assets and nominal account deals with expenses and losses, income and gain. And the rule of personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. They are the most important rules. You have to remember them. So until these rules we learn, we can't deal with the problematic. So be clear and learn all the rules. Thank you.